Be beautiful. Healthy diet. This is the second part of our skin-friendly habits series. The purpose of this video is to share the essential steps and also plenty of tips and tricks that will help you keep your skin and your life as beautiful as possible. Even if you already know some of these things, these videos can hopefully act as a friendly and gentle reminder to take care of yourself. As with many other things, consistency is the key. Healthy eating is also an important component of healthy skin, especially if you have any allergies or intolerances that can wreak havoc on your skin. You are what you eat. The most obvious points when it comes to the food-skin connections are allergies and even milder intolerances. They can cause rashes, pimples, and dull and itchy skin. Fruits and vegetables are incredibly important because they provide us with plenty of vitamins and minerals. However, there are also other nutrients that keep your skin youthful and fresh looking. So make sure you eat enough healthy omega-3 fats and antioxidant and water-filled food. 3 important dietary rules. 1. Choose whole grains. I know it doesn't sound too appealing at first, but whole foods can be an acquired taste. It might be hard to swap out at first, but after a while, you will prefer a nice, filling, and slightly tangy rye bread to a simple and bland white bread. Simple isn't always bad, but each grain has its own unique taste that is mostly lost during processing. Whole grains also contain more antioxidants. And if your whole grain bread has seeds mixed in, even quite a bit of healthy fats. Not only will whole grains make your skin look better, but your body, especially your digestion and cardiovascular system, will also be eternally thankful for the daily dose of healthy fiber. 2. Choose whole vegetables and fruits. What I mean by that is that it's a much healthier option to simply eat the entire fruit instead of drinking gallons of sugary juices. Sugar can be one of the worst things you could eat in general, but it also applies to your skin. Sugar is a pure carbohydrate that can weaken your immune system and cause inflammation in your body and consequentially affect your skin. It can cause acne. It can break down the collagen that makes your skin look and feel youthful. If your only option is drinking freshly squeezed juice instead of eating a salad, it's still a good idea to get those vitamins in, just try not to make it a habit. Salads, fruits, and even smoothies are healthier, more sustainable, and more satisfying anyway. 3. Don't buy into diet culture. Diet in and of itself is not a bad thing. The real issue is diet culture that focuses on fad diets that promise miracles but simply aren't sustainable in the long run. Extremes aren't good for the vast majority of people. No healthy fats can make your skin look dull and unhealthy. Carbs are important because they provide you with energy and enough of the incredibly important fiber. Protein is the building block of your skin and also a key component of a healthy diet. It also keeps your hormones in check and prevents hormonal acne. If your diet is balanced and nourishing, your skin will be balanced and nourished. And as with most things in life, moderation is key. Thank you for watching. Be beautiful.